Welcome back, Griddle Cook, Eat and More. Oops, that up. Welcome back to Dougstopdogs. It's hot dog time. Today we're making what I'm going to call the CarboDoganara. Let's get it going. So you see here, I got me a pound of bacon. We're going to cut this thing right in half. And then we are going to make a small slices here. Then, this has got a lot of fat on that end, so I need some meatier stuff here. We're going to take some of this, but basically I want to use half of this pound of bacon here. We're going to get this going, then we're going to talk about what we're making here, what we're doing. Alright, something like that. Alright, so we're going to get this in the pot. Right next to me, I got me a little pot here, kicked on medium and low on an induction burner. So we're going to get that rendering down, and then once we get closer on that, I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing here. So let's get that going. And meanwhile, I'm going to cut the rest of this bacon up. I'm going to get that cooking up in another pot. And we're just going to cook that to a nice little golden brown crumble. All right, so bacon's looking good here. So as I said before, we're making CarboDoganara. So basically it's a carbonara sauce on a hot dog. So what we got here, we got our bacon going. So we're getting looking good there. We're going to add some butter to it. A good amount of butter right there. And then onions, I was going to do some fresh onions, but I have a ton of these minced onions, so we're going to put some minced onions in there. Just like that. All right, we want this bacon about to burn. That's what we're looking for. So we're getting there. Now we're going to add some black pepper. A good amount. All right, run my shaker out. All right, there we go. Had some caldo de pollo, Noors. I love this stuff. So a little bit of that. There we go. A lot of flavor right in there. Now this carbonara sauce I'm making here, I kind of call it what I call American carbonara, because a lot of restaurants, instead of using eggs, cheese, pasta water, guanciale to make their traditional carbonara, they use heavy whipping cream, butter, basically. So that's what we're doing here. We're going to be adding some heavy whipping cream to this to make our sauce. All right, we're looking good there. Let's get some cream up in there. That is good. Now we're going to bring that up to a little boil. And then the way we're going to thicken, normally American style carbonara, you'd put some Parmesan cheese in there, but we're going to use some white American here to make this sauce. There we go. We're just going to throw some slices in. I think a couple more slices, and I think we'll be good. We'll get these melted down and get it pulled off the heat. All right, I think we're going to go ahead and pull this off the heat. We're going to get a hot dog whipped up here real quick, and then we're going to give this a try. As that cools down, it's going to thicken up, and then it's going to be perfect. So it gives me time to get my hot dog going, and by that time it's going to cool down, be at a nice consistency, good for my hot dog. So give us a few. We'll be back for that final product. All right, here we go. Got my hot dog. I got me a nice seared up in the skillet Hebrew National. Nice charring it. Got our crumbled bacon. And then we got our beautiful carbonara sauce. All right, so real simple. Just two ingredients on top of the hot dog, the carbonara sauce and the crumbled bacon. All right, here we go. Let's get the sauce on there. A little more. Just Just like that, beautiful. All right, let's get some crumbled bacon. Just like that. All right, let me get a couple shots of this beautiful looking dog here. I mean, look at that, come on, let's get some pictures. All right, here we go, let's give this thing a try. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh yeah. Creamy carbonara sauce, nice Hebrew National seared dog, Martin's potato roll, fresh crumbled bacon. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go. Yeah, it's legit, baby. That is legit. Carbonara is my favorite pasta, so come on, you can't go wrong. You get that essence of that creamy carbonara sauce. Top of that beautiful hot dog, that nice steamed Martin's roll. Oh man. And you add that nice fresh bacon on top. It's the real deal here, baby. The real deal. All right, well that's it for this. I'm gonna enjoy this little morsel of a snack, this beautiful hot dog, if you will. And then I'm gonna get out of here. But until next time, I am out.